everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of a subscription box. It's brand new. It starts their first kind of box release in June, and they were gracious enough to reach out to me knowing that I am a mother and support book subscriptions all the time, and they are called the Equal Opportunity Book Box. Inside, you'll receive, at least in this one, it's 3 picture books for your collection. I am, as you can see, I'm in Valentina's room. I love books. I spoil her with books, and it's good to have these books in our collection now because they come from a point of view of saying that they are giving a diverse collection of stories to be told, B, kind of having cross-cultural topics as well, and for every kit that is purchased as a subscription, they are donating books to kids less fortunate, which I think is a huge plus to stand behind. Anytime we can donate to those in need or less fortunate than us is always a good cause to stand behind. So just keep that in mind. So with me joining the Equal Opportunity Book Box, they've also given me a coupon code that I can give to my subscribers in case you're interested in getting this for yourself. Or I also feel that this would be great for teachers in the classroom to have a more diverse storybook collection. These are not going to be your typical fairy tales, and it just gives different topics of conversation to our kids. So the first book in there for this month is called Peaceful Fights for Equal Rights. It's a simple illustrated story, and the story goes rather quickly, so here's just some illustrations here. It's almost look like collage art. You can see all the characters. It's almost like paper pieced together. And then I just love the spread with all of the different skin tones and the peace sign. And the back jacket says, shake a hand, lend a hand, have hope, and be hope. Second book in the box is We Came to America. So again, just tells the story of different nationalities that are in our country that make our country great. So this was an illustration, very bright illustrations of like Native Americans, and then how like different things that we have in our society like ballet and our fashion are influenced from other countries. A nice simple story for this one as well. And then the third one is called Yo Soy Muslim. So you got a little Spanish, already a cross-cultural title here. I love the illustrations too. I love their big heads and big bold eye features for this one. Very cute. And it just says a father's letter to his daughter. Once again, the illustrations are just colorful and bright. And this one too is a simple story with a small rhyming factor within the sentences, and it's just a sweet story about being Spanish and being Muslim. So these are the first 3 that come in the subscription box this month for June. It will start shipping in June. Remember, I have a coupon code, and for everyone that joins with it, I think the code gets you either 10 to 15% off your first subscription box. And like I said, for every subscription box that anyone orders, sorry, I'm watching Valentina. They are donating books to those less fortunate, which I love because everyone should learn to read no matter where you live in this country. And so what a good box to give back to the communities. All right, that's my unboxing for this subscription box. Till next time, bye.